Hey boys and girls, it's Mr. D back with some math during our spring PBL. We've got a lot of good activities for you today. Today we're going to cover some calendar work real quick at the beginning, like how many to get to 20, okay, using number lines and 10 frames. And then we'll show you the standard algorithm as well. Then we're going to go over the double strategy of adding, and then we're going to go over how you can use that double strategy using your 100 or 120 chart or 200 chart. And then we're going to do some story problems. So we got a lot to cover today. So let's get right to it. Now today, you're watching this on the 9th, hopefully. So I'm going to circle number 9. Okay. Now that's where we are on our number line. And I'm also going to fill in a 10 frame right here. So right there. So I could show, right now I'm going to show, well, 9 plus how many more is going to give me 10? Okay. That's one way to think about it. 9 plus how many more is going to give me 10? So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 filled in. If I fill in one more, then I get a total of 10. So that's how I know to get to 10. I can do it with my jumps. Okay. One jump gets me to 10 right there too. So using a number line and a 10 frame, that's a way to do it right there. Now, how many do you get to 20? Okay. So now let's bump it up a little bit. Okay. Now, there's 9 right here. Okay. 2 10 frames. If I have those two filled in together, that's going to give me what? 10 and 10 make 20. That's right. But I only have 9 filled in. So I can count the spaces right here. And again, 10 and one more gives me what? 11. I could count them all once and by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's one way to do it. But if you can think of this as just like a group of 10 plus one more, 9 plus 11 is going to give you 20. Let's check with our jumps right here. Okay, let's check with our jumps. So we go 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Bam. So 9 and 11 give me 20. That's a way to think about it with your calendar adding. So you can do it using number lines. You can use it using 10 frames, but showing how you did it is a good way to do it. Is a good way to show your thinking. So representing what you got. So using the 10 frames, because you know 10 and 10 make 20, using your number lines, that's a good way to do it. Now, let's think about this today. Okay, today we're going to think about doubles adding. Now, this is a quick activity you can do at home. You can make some doubles dominoes, which is what I did here. So I'm going to go through a few. I'll put them up to the camera. You can tell me what they are. So we got 2 and 2, 4. That's right. Okay, 3 and 3, 6, 5 and 5, 10. Okay, 4 and 4, 8, 6 and 6, ooh, 12. Okay, 1 and 1, 2. Let's see what we have here. So we have 3, 6, 7, 7 and 7, 14. Okay, we have 8 and 8, 16. We have 9 and 9, 18. And we have 10 and 10, 20. So a good game that you can do at home, okay, is, let's say everybody has a sheet kind of like this, okay. I'm going to fill in my numbers here. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and you know, we'll do it like this. Watch this. Okay. Make 20 are free. So when you get the 20, you get the 20 right there. Okay. Let's go back to where we had it. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and then we'll make 20 our wild card, okay? So there. Now, the way you can do it is you can play like tic-tac-toe with your doubles edition to make it fun, okay? So let's say I got my cards right here, Okay, I got my cards right here. And I go, all right, I pick this. Okay, 2 and 2. So I'm going to go 2 plus 2. Well, I can just count them. I can count them right there. Or if I know how to count by twos, 2, 4. Okay, or 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one way to add using doubles. So I have 4. Okay, so I'm going to put an X there. Okay, so that's my X. Okay, now let's say I do, okay. Now this game, I didn't put 20 in the game, but this is 10 and 10. So let's do that. 10 plus 10. Okay, so I know 5 and 5 make 10. 10 and 10 make 20. Okay, you can just count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You can count them by ones, or if you put them in groups, 5, 10, 15, 20. Or you know 10 and 10 make 20. There's different ways to think about it using the doubles. So 10 and 10 is 20. Okay, that's a no-go right there. We're out of there. Okay, so let's say I go, I pick 3 and 3. Okay, 3 plus 3. What is 3 and 3? 3 and 3 is 6. So, I got an X there. So now my partner goes, they picked 5 and 5. 5 and 5 make what? 5 and 5 make 10. Okay, they put an O there. There's a block. Okay, now I pick 4 and 4. 4 and 4. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, I count by twos, but you can also count by fours. 4 and 4. That makes 8. Oh man, I didn't pick the right one. So it's like kind of like thinking about it like that way. Okay, now I picked 1 and 1. My partner picked 1 and 1. 1, 2, just counting on. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Oh, O's right there. So you can see if they can make tic-tac-toe this way or this way. Now, you know the answers are going to be always 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, right? Okay, that's what always going to be the numbers now. So you can put your answers here. So it doesn't always have to be in order like I did. It could be, let's say, 20. Let me get rid of the tic-tac-toe spots. But this is an activity you can play at home. It's fun. 20, here's 8, here's 4, there's 2, there's 6, there's 12, there's 14, there's 16. So the odd number out is 10 this time. So you pick a 10, you're kind of out of the game. So that's a good thing to do with doubles. That's one way to think about it that way. Now, another activity that you can do for you older kids or high level math kids is, let's say you have your 120 chart out. Okay. So I'm going to take that and put it right here. So this is my 120 chart I made here at home. Again, you can make it right there at your house, something, but you should have a 100 or a 120 chart or a 200 chart that we gave you at home. But if you don't, you can make one. Okay, so here's the thing. So now, you can also use this with subtraction. Watch how I do it. Okay. So let's say I take, my first pick is 1 and 1. Now I'm going to count backwards. Okay. 1 and 1. 1 and 1. 1 and 1 is 2. So 120, 2 back is now 118. So I'm only at 118. Yikes. Okay, so that's my spot. Now let me pick another. So I shuffle them up again. Okay, mix them up. Mix them up to figure out where it goes. This time I get 6 and 6. So 6 and 6 is 12. Now I got to go 12 back. So I could think, well, I was at 118, and I got to go minus 12. Okay, now I could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'll be at 106. But let's see if I can do it the standard way and figure out that way. 106. Let's see. 8 minus 2 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. See how everything's lined up in 1. So that's a way to do it that way. Let's say I pick another one where I go, I pick 4. And I pick 4. So I can count 4 back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or I can just show my subtraction. 106 minus 4. 102, right? I'm going to be at 102 no matter what. So there's a different way to do adding doubles, but then using it to subtract backwards, or you can count on from 1. That's another activity that you can do at home using your doubles addition skills that we've been getting better at here today. So that's another activity. So guys, I just wanted to show you how to do the doubles addition. Everybody's doing a really great job. Today I also got a couple story problems for you today. Okay, this is something that we all can do together, no matter if you're a kindergartner or a first grader, or a second grader. Connie and I grabbed 13 rocks today because she's trying to build a little rock wall for her flower garden. So we're trying to get some good rocks. So this is like real life stuff, right? Connie and I grabbed 13 rocks today. We grabbed 6 rocks yesterday. How many rocks do we have all together? Now, I could just do it. I can grab rock. I can draw a rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, and then how many? So I look at it again. Connie and I grabbed 13 rocks today. We grabbed 6 rocks yesterday. Okay, plus 6 rocks yesterday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many do we have all together? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, now you don't see any numbers there, but you can represent it with a drawing. Okay, that's one way to do word problems. Connie and I grabbed 13 rocks today. We grabbed 6 rocks yesterday. How many do we grab all together? You could do it like that. You could do it with a number line. Okay, I'll show you there. 0, 20. Okay, there's 10. I like to cut in the middle every time I do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so here we go. I start out let's look at our problem. Connie and I grabbed 13 rocks today. We grabbed 6 rocks yesterday. How many rocks do we have all together? So I can say 13. I got 13. I had 6 rocks yesterday. And the word all together, that's a key word, means to add. We got to know those type of vocabulary words right there. That'll help us. I'm going to add 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I still end up on 19. That's an excellent way to think about it. Or you can do it the standard way. 13 plus 6. Counting on my head, start at 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There's 3 ways to do a word problem, okay? Or a story problem, I should say. So boys and girls, that's another activity to do it. I'll leave you with one today that you can answer in the comments. Connie and I, now you have to listen here, okay? Connie and I have 19 rocks. Our friend Carl has 30 rocks. How many more rocks does Carl have, okay? So how many more rocks does Carl have? How many more? What does that mean? Does that mean to add or subtract? That's something you're going to need to think about. And for you older people, listen, okay? You older good math people. I have 19 rocks. Our friend Carl has 30 rocks. How many more rocks does Carl have? How about this? You can do that, but then change it up. Instead of saying how many more rocks does Carl have, how many rocks do us and Carl have together? Okay, so show those answers in the comments. Again, use the video throughout, go back, rewind, look at the parts that we learned today. We did some good calendar work. We did some good adding doubles, and then we also did some good doubles with the 120 chart, and we got some good story problems. Another great day of learning some math here on the Spring PBL. Hope you guys are doing well. We'll talk again soon.